Well, I did say I wanted to camp in snow sometime this trip, so I think we'll call that mission accomplished. And good morning from not a winter wonderland, but we did get a bit of fresh snow last night. It was actually rain for most of the night, and then it did turn to snow somewhere in the middle of the night. Definitely glad I brought the tarp. Definitely glad I put up the tarp. It worked out pretty well. Kept the bulk of the snow off of things. Wouldn't have already been a big issue. We had snow and everything. Only dusting. Was a little on the chilly side. I'm gonna admit it. I came prepared. I wore what I could. Didn't want to carry anymore. But all in all, not a bad cozy little spot. I had to get a little creative at one point. Got up, wrapped my Gore-Tex jacket and Gore-Tex pants around my feet to create a little extra layer of insulation. And that helped for a little bit. I got enough sleep. About 7 a.m. It's beautiful, it's quiet. Not breaking out the kitchen kit just to make coffee this morning. I'm just gonna pack up and head down towards town and self-service and get a coffee and see what it's like in town. I think it's actually gonna clear out and be an okay day. We were calling for rain today, but we may have gotten through it all. Remember, when you're shopping for a tent, short pole sections, much easier to pack someone's bike. And that's it, the entire tent.
I guess all this snow is somewhat fitting. Today is the 1st of April, April Fools. So yeah, I guess the joke's on me. Maybe wondering why I'm not wearing my goggles. One, I'm not gonna hit anything. And two, I am a very hot and steamy person. I tried to put them on and instantly could not see a thing, so off they came. Other than the fact that I woke up to a bit of snow and I'm wearing everything I've got for clothing. It's a beautiful day to be on a motorcycle. I don't care what kind of day it is on two wheels, it's better than sitting on the couch. little sunshine. It can warm up another 10 degrees, I'd be a lot happier. And there's our hotel for the night. Hotel Zed. Very funky little place. And look at that. My sweet ride will be safe here. Love it.
And off we go in search of coffee.
Well, hello there, guys. What's going on? Just hanging out, eh? So I found an unmarked trail off the side of the road. So I decided to see where it goes. Looking for a place to camp tonight. I don't need anything, I've got everything. That could be a nice spot right there, in fact. I'm gonna try to camp a little bit lower tonight. Stay out of the snow. This isn't so bad. Might be enough wood left to actually have a little fire, possibly. Yeah. That's the thing. You start exploring, going up things, don't know what's there. It's a good way to find things. So, fuel up in Kelowna, crossed up west side, past Bear Creek access. We're up here right now. I was theoretically aiming for a Flint Tree wreck site up here tonight on the water. And then continuing up the valley to theoretically in a couple of days end up in Kamloops, because I hear the dirt is fantastic in Kamloops right now.